Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate how to print the data from the two-dimensional array in a tabular format using the traditional for loops in Java. So let's get started. In the previous session, I have shown you how to write a Java program with the help of this nested traditional for loops for accessing the data from the two-dimensional arrays. Now I'm going to print that particular data that I have accessed in the previous session in a tabular format. How to do that? For that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE here. This was the program that I have written in the previous session. Okay, using this nested for loops, nested traditional for loops, we are able to access all the data which is stored in this two-dimensional array. All the data which is stored in this or initialized in this two-dimensional array, we were able to access here and print it here. But I don't want the printing to happen like this. Okay, I don't want the printing of the data to be like this. Rather, I would like to print in a tabular format. How to print in a tabular format? For printing that in a tabular format, guys, for printing that in a tabular format, so here we have to do some small changes to this program. What are the changes? First, convert this print ln into print. Now run the code. Okay. First, you convert the print ln to print and run the code. What will happen? It will print like this. 9 without any space. In the same line, it will print all the remaining data also. 9, 1, 1, 5, 7. Okay. 3 without any gap. It will print like this. In the single line, it is going to print all the elements of the two-dimensional array will be printed in the single line like this. Okay. So I'm just showing you practically what is going to happen. If I convert this print ln to print, so instead of the numbers getting printed like this in multiple lines, all these numbers are going to print like this in a single line without any gap. Run this, you will see the same thing. You see, whatever the number I have written here, the same thing will come. But I don't want the numbers to be printed like this. What I want is between every number that is getting printed in a single line, I just want to add a gap. I just want to add a gap, guys. Okay, like this, I want to add the gap. Okay, like this, I want to add the gap. To add the gap here, I'll write plus concatenation and give a gap. Now run the code. Right click run as Java application and run the code and see that 9 gap, 11 gap, 5 gap, 7 gap, 3 gap, 6 gap, 8 gap, 2 gap. Like that we are getting all the gaps. After printing each and every number in the same line, you see some gaps are coming. Now what I want to do next is, you see, to get this particular number printed like this in the tabular format, first in the first line 9, 11, 5, 7 should be printed. In the second line 3, 6, 8, 2 should be printed. In the third line 4, 1, 15, 14 should be printed. First 9, 11, 5, 7 should be printed. In the next line 3, 6, 8, 2. In the next line 4, 1, 15, 14. For that, after every 4 numbers, I want to go to the new line. That means after the inner loop is completed, okay, once we come out of the inner traditional for loop, immediately I would like to write a print ln statement. I'll not print anything, but just some sample print ln statement I'll write here so that it will simply take you to the next line. Okay. After the first four numbers got printed, after the first four numbers got printed, we'll come out of this traditional for loop and this print ln statement will take you to the new line. And in the new line, again, the second four numbers will be printed. 3682 will be printed. After that, again we'll come out of the inner traditional for loop and we'll print the print ln statement will take you to the new line. And again, in the next line, other four, remaining four numbers which are there in the third row will get printed. And after that, we'll go to the new line. Now run this code. With this, you will be able to see that, the table will get printed. Okay. The output got printed in a tabular format. This is what I was expecting, right? So small logic changes we have to do, guys, to this particular program where, you just need to convert this print ln to print. After that, we have to concatenate a space. Okay. Single space to get the space between the numbers. And after that, after this inner for loop, you add this print ln statement so that after every four numbers, we'll go to the new line. So with this, we'll be able to print the data which is there or stored in the two-dimensional array in a tabular format in the output. So this is how we need to modify the logic. So hope guys you understood how to print the data from the two-dimensional array in tabular format using the traditional for loops in Java. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye-bye.